Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. So on the mill today we've got a piece of walnut. So let's have a quick look at it, eh? So it's 9 foot long. It's just over 8 foot long, and it's about 20 inches at that end, and it goes down to about 13-14 inches at that end. So and then we've got these couple of limbs here. We've got like an old limb there. So yeah, it's not massive, but let's see. It's a piece of walnut, so I'm hopeful that it's going to be pretty nice inside. I think it will be. That's my prediction anyway. So yeah, let's get you set up and let's get milling. Okay, so I'll just show you what we've got so far. It's actually looking really nice, even though it's not quite as dark as I was expecting. But I really like what's going on here in this crotch. I think that's going to pop when we do the water pop. So yeah, we'll get this one pulled off. I'll flip it over. We'll cut the last couple of slabs and then we'll do some water popping. Okay, so let's get these couple water popped, eh? Let's see what we got. They're looking pretty nice actually. I think they're going to be real nice. Alrighty, let's have a look. I really like this. I know it's not the, I mean it's English walnut, so I know it's obviously not that really dark chocolatey brown, but I'm guessing it will as it oxidizes. But I really like it. I love the contrast between the brown and the white. So I think it looks really good. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it actually. These slabs are 2.5 inches thick as I do all my slabs, so they are looking good. So, and I'm glad I didn't cut these limbs right down. I think just a little bit different of a slab. So I got these two, those two, and another one there, and then like a partial slab. So we got, what was that, 2, 4, 5, 5.5 slabs, I guess is what I got out of it. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. So let's get these stacked and stickered. Okay, that's all stacked and stickered, so that's good. I don't really know why I made that so difficult on myself by trying to lift them up by hand. When I have a machine that could do it, save my back a little bit. So yeah, I think it's going to be nice once it oxidizes for a little bit. It'll be, I think that brown will come out a little more, and there'll be more of the contrast between the sap and the hardwood, so I think that'll be good. The only thing I'm not overly happy with, it's sticking over further than I'd like. I'd rather have the stickers right at the end or very close to the end, but there's no point putting them there because there's no support, because the pallet's a little short. The same at that end, but I think it'll be fine. I do the straps up like snug, not really tight, but just snug. I don't want to put any extra stress in it, so it just helps keep them flat. But yeah, yeah, so there's that much waste, so which is nothing at all. Tell it up. Hey. So there's that much waste, which is really good. So but yeah, I think that's it for this one. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks again, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.